Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. Today, we are going to discuss our third chapter, Safety and First Aid. So, first, choose the correct options. These type of clothes can catch the fire very easily. Among all the four, which will catch the fire easily? It is called synthetic clothes. Which of these is a flammable material? Stone, water and iron rod. They are inflammable materials. Only wood is a flammable material. Third one. Which of these is non-flammable? Petrol, kerosene, paper. They are non-flammable. They are flammable. Only the stone is non-flammable. Fourth one, in case of a gas leak at home, what you have to do? So you have to open all the doors and windows. Fifth one, in case of the fire, you must inform the fire station. अगर आपके घर में कुछ फायर हुआ तो you have to inform the fire station. And then sixth one, which of the following is not a part of the fire drill? Stop all work, assemble in a safe place, follow your teacher to the exits. So these are all the part of the fire drill. Run ahead of others, it is not a part of fire drill. Then seventh one, they should never be used to extinguish the fire caused due to kerosene. So what happened? You should not use, if the fire is caused by kerosene, you should not use the water. Eighth one, we use a splint in case of dash. So in case of the fractured limb, you have to use the splint. Then ninth one, this can be used to support a fractured arm. So you have to use the sling. For the fractured arm, you have to use the sling. And then match the following. I have written the correct option straightly. First one, candles. You should not keep the candles near the curtains. It is the option third. Next one, fire caused by paper. If the fire is caused by paper, you have to throw the water. Third one, fire caused by cooking oil. So if the fire is caused by cooking oil, you have to throw the sand. Okay. Then fourth one, first aid. So first aid, it is the immediate help given to the victim. So first aid means it is an immediate help give to the victim. Fifth one, fractured hand. If your hand is fractured, you have to use the sling for support. Then next one, give two examples for the following. So TWO, strike that and then write TWO. Flammable materials, kerosene and petrol. Kerosene and petrol will catch the fire easily. Then non-flammable materials, sand and water. Third one, things inside the first aid box, that is bandage and antiseptic lotion. Fourth one, animals whose bite can cause the rabies. So dogs and cat, if they bite you, you will get the rabies. And then give one word for the following. Materials that catch the fire easily, they are called flammable materials. Second one, materials that do not catch the fire easily, they are called inflammable materials. Third one, the immediate help given to a person at a time of injury. It is called first aid. Fourth one, a break or crack in a bone. It is called fracture. Fifth one, a piece of wood used to hold and support a broken bone. It is called splint. Sixth one, a disease caused by the bite of stray animals. It is called rabies. And then short answers. First one, why should not burning candles be kept near the curtains? So just I'm telling roughly, you can write by your own sentence. So because the candle, it is a flammable material, right? Flammable material matlab it will catch the fire easily. If you keep near the curtains, what will happen? It will catch the fire. Okay. Second one, what should be done in case of the gas leak? अगर आपको घर में कुछ गैस लीक हो गया, what you will do? First, you have to open all doors and windows. Okay, पहले ventilation चाहिए, so you have to open all doors and windows. And you should not touch the electrical switches during the gas leak. अगर तो गैस लीक होता है तो you should not touch the electrical switches. Third one, what can happen if the sockets are overloaded? Okay, so socket is very important. We have to check regularly. If you have any breaks or any plastic covering, you have to check that one. Suppose if they are damaged, it should be repaired and should be replaced immediately. Okay. Then what should you do if the house is full of smoke during the fire? Okay, if the house is full of smoke, what you will do? First, you have to lie down and crawl to the exit and keep your nose closed, because if you stay low, ओके तो नीचे लाई डाउन होता है तो यू कैन इनहेल द लेस स्मोक. ओके. देन फिफ्थ वन, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट एड? इफ एनी इंजरी टेकन प्लेस और एनी एक्सीडेंट टेक प्लेस, you have to immediately help and some care should be given until they will get the full treatment. It is called first aid. So first aid, it is an immediate help and care given to the injured person until full medical treatment is available. Sixth one, what is a fracture? It is a break or crack in a bone. Seventh one, what should you do to immobilize a broken leg? अगर आपको लेग तो ब्रोक हो गया, what you have to do? You have to tie with a splint. Splint मतलब a wooden rod to support your fractured limb. Eighth one, what should you use to relieve the pain and swelling in case of the bee stings? अगर आपको bee sting struck हो गया, what you will do? First, you have to apply an ice pack or cool with the wet cloth to the affected area to relieve pain and swelling. Then you have to apply an antiseptic cream. Okay. The long answer. List any 3 fire safety rules. First, try to escape the building as quick as possible. अगर आपको बिल्डिंग में कुछ फायर हुआ तो you have to escape first. And you should not use the lift, use the staircase. And dial 101 nearest fire station का dial करना है. Then before opening the door, feel it lightly using the back of your hand. If the door is very hot, you should not open it. You have to look another way for get out. Second, what should you do in case of the fire? So first you have to check how the fire is caused. If the fire is caused by paper or wood or plastic, you have to throw the sand. Okay? And If it is caused by petrol, kerosene or cooking oil, you should use sand or mud. Don't use the water. If it is fire is caused by electric fault, switch off the main power supply. You can use the sand, but you should not use the water. मैंने बड़ा लिखा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा करके आप लिख सकता है. अगर it is caused by paper, wood or plastic, you should throw the sand. First point. If the fire is caused by petrol, kerosene or cooking oil, you have to use the sand. Don't use water. If the fire is caused by electric fault, you should switch off the main power supply. You should not use the water. Okay. What should you do if the clothes catch fire? Suppose your clothes got the fire. What you will do? First, you should not panic. You should not run, because movement will supply more air. Okay, then the burning will be more strong. Then stop, drop to the ground, cover your face with your hands and then roll over till the flame is extinguished. If there is a blanket, you can cover yourself in that blanket. Okay, repeating again. If your clothes catch the fire, you should not run, because movement will supply more air. Stop, drop to the ground, cover your face with your hands and then roll over till the flame is extinguished. Fourth one, what is a fire drill? Write the rules of the fire drill. Fire drill means it is a practicing emergency procedure you have to take in case of fire. Once you hear the alarm, stop all your work, make a queue, follow your teacher to the exit point, assemble at a safe place away from the building. Wait for your teacher's instruction. If it is safe, then you go back to the building. Okay. Fifth one, what first aid should be given for the minor burns? First, you have to keep the burnt area under the cool running water for 10 minutes. Why? Because this will reduce the pain and minimize the swelling. And then apply an antiseptic cream. Okay. Do not prick any blisters that may form on the burnt area. Okay, any blisters is coming. Blister means a liquid present in that burnt area. Don't prick that blisters. Okay. Sixth one, what first aid should be given for the snake bite? So if a person is bitten by the snake, what he will do? So have the victim lie down and keep them calm. Movement will spread the venom more rapidly. Do not raise up the bitten area. Don't cut the wound or attempt to remove the venom. So rush the victim to the hospital. उसको जल्दी हॉस्पिटल में लेके जाना है. ठीक है. So this is up to your third chapter, that is safety and first aid. So tomorrow we will discuss the fourth chapter.